name is Caleb.
My name is George.
My name is Alfie.
I'm Rosie.
And I'm Macy.
We're here from Ysgol Heulfan, and we would like to talk about belonging in school. We want everyone to have a sense of belonging and for people to have to experience loneliness.
According to Welsh Parliament research in a 2023 report, almost 10% of people aged 16 to 24 were always often lonely. Around 11% of children aged 10 to 15 years, 16% of 12-year-olds and 13% of 18-year-olds were often lonely.
Belonging to us means having somewhere to live with family, having friends.
Them giving us support when needed.
Being happy, loved, safe and comfortable.
Knowing you're valued, wanted and accepted.
Not being lonely.
It is important for children to have a sense of belonging in school so they are happy and therefore learn in school.
We have learnt from our happy mind in school that for us to learn we need to be happy. Learning and getting good results in school will give us a better future.
We believe in Ysgol Heulfan that our school creates a sense of belonging for all our children and staff.
Caleb and Macy, you're new to our school. What are your thoughts about joining our school?
I arrived in Wrecsam last year from Manchester. I immediately felt welcome because everyone showed kindness.
I moved schools last year, ready to start my high school this year. I was a bit shy and nervous at first, but everyone was so kind.
What do famous people say about kindness? Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Mark Twain.
Whoever is happy will make others happy and frank.
Be kind and merciful. Let no one ever come to you without coming away better and happier. Mother Teresa.
In a world we can be anything. Be kind. Claire Pooley.
Kindness is the mark we leave on the road when the marks the Kindness Foundation.
We have had many new children come to our school over the last 2 years. Hear the thoughts and feelings on these children on starting Ysgol Heulfan and how they feel today.
When I first knew that I was moving schools, I felt devastated to leave my old school and friends behind. I was happy to know that I was getting a new teacher. Now with Ysgol Heulfan, I feel happy.
When I knew I was moving schools, I felt anxious and nervous. Today at Ysgol Heulfan, I feel comfortable and happy and feel very at home. When I knew that I was moving, I felt anxious but today at our school Heulfan, I feel happy and settled in because I have great friends. On my first day in Ysgol Heulfan, I felt anxious, now I feel happy. When I knew I was moving school, I felt sad because I knew I would miss my friends. Also, I felt excited to meet my new friends at my new school. Today, in Ysgol Heulfan, I feel really happy and proud to be a member of Ysgol Heulfan. When it was my first day at Ysgol Heulfan, I felt nervous, now I feel happy. When I went to Ysgol Heulfan, I was scared, but now I have friends and I love playing games. When I went to Ysgol Heulfan, I was scared and nervous. Now I love my teachers. On my first day in Ysgol Heulfan, I felt excited. Now I feel good. When I moved school, I felt sad. Now I feel good. On my first day in Ysgol Heulfan, I was shy, but now I feel
can see from our video that the new children who have joined our school have settled well in our school. They feel part of our school and have a sense of belonging.
Some children settle into new schools straight away, but for others it can take weeks or months to feel comfortable and make new friends. They can often feel lonely.
When I visited Ysgol Heulfan, I was shown around by a head teacher. I then spent a day in my new class before starting.
I came up with the idea of our head teacher organising a small group of children from our school council to become in charge of showing new children around our school, giving them the information they need, telling them about clubs and exciting activities we do. The group is called N2H, new to Heulfan. N2H regularly check on the children as they set into our school.
We think N2H will make the children feel at ease straight away. We'll show our kindness and make sure they do not feel lonely.
So, we are asking you to consider asking schools if they can organise more groups of children to be ambassadors, so like our N2H group.
Having a sense of belonging is so important.